making work seem like fun. When people enjoy what they're doing, they're working with passion, they're having fun while working, believe me, they give far more than when they are working in a pessimistic, negative environment. Here, we want people like close-in gratification. Yes, want to be gratified for the work they've done. They need to create a happy environment for all, where everybody is enjoying their work. All the players get Super Bowl rings. We are a team. If the organization reaches its objective, everybody in the organization should be complimented, should be rewarded to the effort that they have done. Because we need all our teammates, each one will put as much as he can or he's supposed to. And for that part, we need them to be complimented and praised for their work. Don't let work get serious for too long. Yes, we have deadlines. We have to reach certain goals. But let the work environment be in a fun ground where people are enjoying, because while they are enjoying, they can produce more, and believe me, they work longer hours if needed, and they can take the pain because they are enjoying the ultimate results of reaching the goals all together. Have fun together, network, socialize, assist each other. Google is an organization that does that. Many organizations do build schedule events that people get together and have fun and share social issues and support each other. When you know the other person as a person, you can work with them much harder and for a longer period. Now we're going to talk about Sun Tzu's principle. Sun Tzu have written, it goes 6,000 years ago, The Art of War, based on the Chinese philosophy. And this book is one of the most taught books in strategy and graduate schools of business today worldwide. Why? Because he teaches us 10 basic principles. The first, yes, learn to fight. We work in a competitive environment. We need to reach our goals, so we need to be able to fight. As a leader, you need to show the way. Do walk ahead of the organization. You're leading them. Show them how to do things and how to do things right. Do it right so they know from you how it should be done right. Don't assume they know. Show them. Do it right. Know the facts. The more you know the facts, the more you become a trusted leader. Okay? So know the facts. You should be very knowledgeable of your goals, of your organization. Number 5, expect the worst. Don't always be optimistic. Know that sometimes there's going to be failure. Okay? But when there's failure, okay, you can seize the day. Turn things around. Learn from your mistakes and set new horizons. We said a leader looks into the future. Yes, look into the future. If necessary, burn bridges. Don't carry too much weight. Have a lean organization. Look towards your objective. Learn how to fight. Show the way. Lead your people. Learn to do it better. Expect the worst, seize the day, do it better. But we say in modern days, let's learn from our mistakes. Many times we did not do it right the first time because we were not pulling together. Sun Tzu preaches that when we pull as a team together, we reach where we want to reach faster, easier, and we don't drain our efforts and our strength because only few were pulling. And finally, keep your competition guessing. Don't oversay. Even now today we have the social media and the website. Some of your projects, some of your ideas, some of your tricks have to be kept for later. So when you keep them guessing, they're not ready for you. You have an advantage over your competitors. British Airways, life and the leadership at British Airways after Willie Wallace. British Airways CEO Willie Wallace was succeeded by Keith Williams in 2011. Walsh was abrasive leadership style. He had a lot of collisions with the unions, which are very important in the West, whereby Williams, more employing leaders style, enabled the dispute to be settled. He learned from Sun Tzu's principles, the 10 principles, and he was able to solve the issues without any collision, without any fight, without any negative atmosphere between British Airways, which is a very prominent airline, and it holds the British flagship and the unions within the United Kingdom.